BB Imaging's mission is to make ultrasounds accessible to anyone in the country, no matter zip code, no matter income, and really to help the maternal mortality rate in the United States. My name is Sanjay Patel, CEO.
We're headquartered in Austin, which is where we have our main center point, but we have teammates across several different states.
My name is Raylene Brewer, and I am Resource Planning Manager at BB Imaging. My day-to-day in the resource planning role is assisting our team with scheduling over 150 sonographers and technical assistants across the nation. It's a bit of a feat to schedule all of them. Prior to Skedulo, it was a little bit more of a difficult task. We had spreadsheets in different places. We had knowledge that was just in people's heads. And so whenever we needed to travel a sonographer, we were double checking what their credentials were, what vaccinations they had, what the clinic requirements were. And it was a really back and forth conversation to verify all of these things.
We can be more dynamic as schedules change. Sending the right sonographer to the right clinic at the right time, that's a challenge. When you've got hundreds of sonographers around the country, that scheduling component is the only way to scale. For us to live into our mission, we need to keep adding more and more to our team. To do that successfully, scheduling is going to be the backbone of it. As needs change, and our needs will change as we grow and we scale, we have the platform that will adjust with us.
Skedulo has streamlined and centralized a lot of our processes related to scheduling. It's given us more visibility into our field operations and given us a lot more data to make quick decisions. What's really stood out is how it's brought our schedulers, our field operations, and our client interactions all together in one place. So the platform is really intuitive for our field team. They love the mobile app, which made our field team's onboarding on Skedulo much smoother than we had anticipated.
Skedulo is helping our clinical team on site. It puts everything in one place at their fingertips. They can go into their job, they can see where they're going, their address, they can have tasks assigned to them, and they can check off those tasks if there was something that they were supposed to be doing in that particular day. It is also letting them view who their team is for any given day, and so they're really enjoying having everything in one spot for them as well. We want to make sure that we are using the local sonographers to the clinic. And just by pushing a little lightning bolt, it produces us back a schedule that fits the tags, the certifications, minimizing our drive time, and keeps everybody within their available hours and then their scheduled hours so that they don't go into overtime.
Our team drives approximately 50,000 miles per month, so having a system that can reduce that drive time, even by a small percentage, gives our team more time back with their families, gives our patients and clients more accessible care, and it reduces overall cost for BB Imaging.
Skedulo had a very solid platform, but one that could be customizable based upon what we needed, and that really helped us pick Skedulo. The team was dynamic, was great to work with. They really wanted to learn our business, and that meant a lot to us because they really cared about our company and what would be best for us, and that's the partnership you want. We saw this as a long-term partnership because this is how we're going to scale our business. Skedulo plays a huge part. It's part of the DNA of our company. It's what we use for all this. It's probably the most used technology we have in our entire company.